Hey everyone, in this video we will navigate through the settings section. There are 5 subsections here. In the general section, you have access to basic settings such as controlling notifications, and you can see your referral code here. In the profile section, you can create your own avatar or upload a custom one, create a social nickname that will be used on the leaderboard. You can update your leaderboard settings here too. You can also specify if you would like to be a leader or just a follower. And also view who is tracking or cloning you. In the portfolio section, you can update API keys and set up a blacklist for certain coins that you don't want to see. Blacklisted coins are never shown to a user and never traded for the user. Next, we have the billing section. Here you can enter a referral code, view invoices, and select a subscription. In the earnings section, this shows you details around how much you have earned through both leaderboard and the referral program and your payout history. Payouts are made in Bitcoin to the address that you have entered above. Thank you for watching, and in the next video we will talk about threshold rebalancing using Capfolio.